Since work is calculated by a dot product of force and displacement, the units of work will be newtons times meters, which is so important in physics that it's been given the name joules. So capital J stands for a unit of work. And just like forces can be notated with agent-object notation, work can be notated in that same way. So W A on B stands for the work that the force of A on B does on system B. So that's one force, but what about the net force? What work does the net force do? It does the net work. So W net on B is the work that the net force on B does on system B. Another way to calculate the net work is to simply sum up all the works being done on the object. If we find that the net work done is positive, then the object's speed would increase. If the net work done on the object is 0, then speed should remain constant. And if the net work ends up being negative, we'll see that the object's speed decreases.